वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो व्यूअर्स। और आज मैं आपसे बात करने वाला हूं अबाउट 5 डिफरेंट बाइक्स दैट हैव एक्चुअली बिकम मोर अफोर्डेबल इन द ईयर 2026। अब देखिए, फ्रॉम द आइकॉनिक नेम ऑफ द पल्सर टू द प्रेस्टिजियस नेम ऑफ द ट्रायम्फ, ऐसी एक 5 बाइक्स का लिस्ट मैं यहां पर लेके आया हूं दैट हैव रिसेंटली बीन रीजिग्ड टू अट्रैक्ट अ लोअर 18% GST rate. So let's start the video and now find out which one of these 5 motorcycles are now more affordable and in your budget and if you should be considering them or not. Number 1 पर आ जाता है the Bajaj Pulsar NS400Z. Now if performance on a budget is something that you have been after, तो फिर Pulsar NS400Z आपकी लिस्ट में जरूर शॉर्टलिस्टेड होगी. It gets a futuristic design, an LED projector headlamp, riding modes, traction control और साथ में द न्यू 349cc इंजन जो इसको एक आउटपुट देता है ऑफ 40 PS ऑफ पावर. Now Bajaj has recently dropped the price of this sports naked from rupees 2.04 lakh ex showroom to rupees 1.80 lakh ex showroom, which means कि ये बाइक अब around rupees 24,000 less cost करेगी आपको when compared to the previous year. Number 2 on the list is the Triumph Speed 400. Believe it or not, in 2026 you are getting a Speed 400 from Triumph at a much more affordable cost than when compared to 2025. Triumph ने अब Speed 400 के साथ निकाल दिया है अपना TR 400 सीरीज का नया 349cc का लिक्विड कूल्ड इंजन जो प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है 37 PS of power and around 32 Newton meters of torque. Now of course those power figures are little compromised when compared to the previous year's model, but उसका फायदा आपको हो रहा है सीधे सीधे in the purchasing cost, which is down by up to rupees 16,000. Apart from the slight compromise in performance, Speed 400 में और कोई भी बदलाव Triumph ने इस साल के लिए नहीं किया है, which means that it still gets all the features and functions that the earlier model had. Number 3 पे बात कर लेते हैं about the Bajaj Dominar 400 and this is also a really exciting one क्योंकि customers को सबसे ज्यादा फायदा इस मोटरसाइकिल पे मिलने वाला है and that is because it is now cheaper by up to rupees 36,000. Now the Dominar is a very popular option among touring enthusiasts और जहां पर इस मोटरसाइकिल का पहले प्राइस होता था around 2.40 lakh ex showroom, it has now dropped to a starting price of rupees 2.04 lakh ex showroom. अब इसमें खास बात यह है that while Bajaj has added the new 349cc engine to the bike, it is still making the same 40.6 PS of power output that the earlier model did. Torque output थोड़ा कम हो गया है around the 33.2 Newton meters mark. And just like before, you still get the 4 riding modes, traction control and all the tech that the Dominar 400 was offering. Now number 4 we have the Triumph Scrambler 400X. अगर आप एक प्रीमियम स्क्रैम्बलर मोटरसाइकिल ढूंढ रहे हैं, then the Scrambler 400X definitely deserves a place in your shortlist. It's got the right name, it's got great ground clearance and front and rear suspension travel इस मोटरसाइकिल में आपको देखने को मिलता है of around 150 mm. साथ ही में आपको देखने को मिल जाता है ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल एंड मोर, बट मोर इंपॉर्टेंटली द 349cc इंजन which has been revised for the Triumph Scrambler 400X now produces 37 PS of power and 32 Newton meters of torque. अब देखिए, पावर में तो आपको कॉम्प्रोमाइज देखने को मिल ही रहा है, बट दैट इज कमिंग एट द लोअर कॉस्ट of rupees 2.59 lakh, which has dropped from rupees 2.70 lakh from the earlier model. Now that makes this high-end scrambler motorcycle a lot more affordable than before. Moving on, let's come to the last bike on this list and that is the Triumph Thruxton 400. Now if owning a cafe racer motorcycle has been in your shortlist too, then the Thruxton 400 checks most of the boxes out there. It gets a very sleek and attractive design और साथ में आगे देखने को आपको मिलता है the sporty headlamp cowl. दूसरे special elements on the Thruxton include clip-on handlebars, a rear seat cowl, and Triumph have made it that extra special by offering a higher output than the Speed 400 at 40 PS. उसके अलावा Thruxton 400 में वो सारे goodies हैं that we have been seeing in the Triumph 400 series of motorcycles that include the 43 mm USD front forks, traction control, ABS mode, disc brakes by Brembo and a lot more. मगर प्राइस ड्रॉप के मामले में Thruxton 400 में मार्जिन थोड़ा कम है because it costs you only rupees 6,000 less when you compare it to the earlier model at rupees 2.69 lakh ex showroom. Now viewers, you may have noticed that while all of these bikes have become more affordable, यहाँ पर आपको performance में भी compromise देखने को मिल रहा है, and that is because the manufacturer has now downsized all of these motorcycles to fit under the 350cc segment, जिससे कि आपको lower 18% unified GST का benefit मिल सके, which the manufacturer has again forwarded to the customers. If you ask me, a marginal drop in the spec sheet output for much more meaningful savings in your pocket is not a deal breaker at all when you consider the kind of savings that we spoke about in this video. And all of these motorcycles deserve a good consideration from your end if you are in the market to buy a new sports motorcycle. With that, I leave you to let me know कि आप क्या सोचते हैं इन 5 motorcycle options के बारे में in the comments. Do not forget to like this video and share it with your friends who might be out in the market looking for a new bike. Until next time, this is Amber Banerjee signing out.